Good day everyone. Today we are here in Barangay Daliao to know their history background. Now let's go.
So good day Mom. My name is Jumea K.D. Calate. I'm studying at Davao Central College and
my name is David Hassan
so what's your name po?
I'm Mrs. Loro, Carmelita del Rosario Loro.
What's your position on this?
Alam ko kami sa opisina ng Punong Barangay. Staff kami ng Punong Barangay.
So, my first question, Ma'am, is how was the population change over the years?
Over the years. Siyempre, as of the moment, we approximately we have 22,000 residents living in 29 puroks.
So, second question is how did the barangay get its name and what does it mean?
So, Daliao is from the word. Okay. So, we're going back to 1822 during the Japanese period. The first who migrate Barangay Daliao are the Bagubo tribe under Dato Daliao, where the name Daliao is taken from his name. But sad to say, as of the moment, we don't have any, kaya ito lang ang barangay dito sa Turilong District na walang IPMR kasi wala na sila dito. Nandoon sila lahat sa bukid during the Japanese time. Takot sila. Kaya walang mga bagogo dito na. Pero Daliao is from the word Dato Daliao.
So the next question is, what are the some of the biggest challenges the barangay has faced?
As of the moment?
Yes. Start.
Now, previous, siyempre, we don't have proper water disposal. Not like at the present moment. We are strongly like Engineer Joseph Bongdong has a strong belief that for a community, for a barangay to progress, everybody must cooperate. And we are very particular with basura. That's why before we used to have flash floods because we don't have the proper drainage. But as of the moment, we have our canal brigade who looks in all the canals of Barangay Daliao. That's why Barangay Daliao became a model. Maraming nagpapalo dito sa Barangay Daliao dahil doon. And that is from it's empathic from our Punong Barangay. We should
Sa certification
say no to single-use plastic. That's why when you get inside the barangay hall of Barangay Daliao, be sure you don't have your PET bottles and your single-use plastic. Kasi that you will be fined 500, you will be issued a ticket. Then you are going to pay 500. You will not pay to the barangay, but you are going to pay to the district hall.
So the next question is, what are some of the biggest challenges the barangay has faced?
Kanina sa PCC,
yung mga flood canals.
Resident and sa
President to care about
MPCC.
before. But now, because we have the canal brigade. That's why it's called canal brigade. Kasi marami sila eh. And ang kanilang trabaho yun na talaga. Magtutok doon sa kanal. Kaya nawawala na yung ating mga clogged canals that causes flash floods. Can you imagine? That school there. Ramon Magsaysay Elementary School. Kakaunti lang ulan, baha agad dyan. Because of
Wala pa yung MPCC.
flood.
College ka din, ha?
At the present,
Aso na mo? Nag-meet up sila ni Kit.
nabawasan na yung mga baha. Kasi our punong barangay is very particular with basura. Kaya ginawang mo doon ang dayan. Inventory is following us now. Maraming barangay ang nagkukopya ng anong ginagawa ng mga dayan.
So, afternoon staff. So, first question is, what are the major industries or sources of livelihood in our barangay?
So, major industry is two here in Daliao, Santa Clara Plywood, and Davao Fish Port. Aside from that, source of livelihood sa akong students kasi 20% is fishing yet. Fishing, considering the barangay Daliao is
So, the next question is, what are some traditional celebration of festivals unique to
So aside from the araw ng barangay, we had also the Panagat Festival, celebrating the steam or sea sa dagat natin. As I said, considering that barangay is obviously we celebrate such a festival over and above constituents sa dagat or vision focus. Aside from that, we have also Sunugba Festival, where festival all people near to coastal area we celebrate by simply Sugba. Sugba Ulisda. Free for everybody, for visitors, everyone who's want to join this celebration.
So next up, how has education changed in our barangay over?
Education. We still believe anyway, our mission sa barangay Daliao is human development. Ang mission nila sa barangay. One of those is ang tao na agree edukasyon. It really changed a lot. Sa una, hanggang din sa Daliao, tumod kayo ang dagat, grabe kayo siya ang hatagong livelihood sa tao. Ikabisda, sa una, mga batanon sa una, mag-edad 9 years old, pag magsakay naglansat, anong lang porta sila, hindi na mga eskwela. Ito sa time na ang dagat, murag ikaw na ito sa silang livelihood, murag limited na ang isda, nagdap pagidang time na close season, 3 months, maglisod na ang mga tao, mga palita ang kwarta. So, siguro na-realize na ang dagat na hindi kamanin kinwarta ko kwarta. So, that's why sa ilang mga gamot, ilan yung pa-eskwela, pahuman ang ilang mga anak. So, now, we would say na still education sa Binisaya pa, edukasyon batok sa kawan. Batok po sa kawan.
Next up, what are some of the biggest challenge the barangay faces?
So far, biggest challenge na mo, big calamity diri, wala pa man. Pag diri yun, ang pinaka-biggest challenge na drugs. drugs. Grabe ang drugs karon dito sa dili lang sa Dalyaw, basta ng barangay. Rampant kayo.
Next was last, how has the community support each other during the difficult times?
Difficult time. Pero man na ako na yung mga difficulties na affected one sitios. Simple naman, paano nato na naiyan nato na mga Pilipino. Labang yun sa isip kayo na sa panahon sa kalisod. Huwag yun na dili kay personal nga kalisod. No, calamities, incidents na involved na dagang tao, pareha na sa punta mo na isunog yan sa baybay, mga suppress sila na mo ang sunog is because of the cooperation sa mga tao. Cooperative at the same time, we always kaning ginapromote rin ang bayanihan. Sige, welcome.
Thank you for coming. Thank you. You have something to ask for?
As our journey through Dahlia Toral comes to an end, we carry with us the warmth of its people, the richness of its culture, and the lessons learned along the way.